Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to One Hot Mess. Yes, you're looking at things a little bit differently, and in fact, I'm holding the camera just because this is, as you can tell at the very top, this is my epic failure. Typically, I do not give up on crafts because I completely fail, but this is a complete and total failure. I don't know if this actual pen is a poopy pen and it doesn't work, but this is not for me. Heck no. In fact, look what I did. At first, what I wanted to do was to do its cheeks because I didn't want like it to get totally lost in the stitching that was up here. And then I said, oh, well, these cheeks are too tiny. And I was going through, I was putting holes. I literally put nasty holes in this material. So I tried the bigger section. I sat there and I tried, and I'm watching these videos, and everybody is just like going boom, boom, boom with their pen. They're just going boom, boom, boom. Everything is great. Well, not with this baby. So I don't know if I just got a really cheap thing here, and I don't know. I think it could be a really cool craft, but for me, epic failure. Sorry, I can't even really give you a tutorial on it. This was my little threader. This was the floss. And before I ruined it, this is how that looked, but different. I had, this is how it looked, nice and everything. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do embroidery. Just embroidery stitches so that at least this will be done. Or that I'll have something to do, and I can get little hoops like this and then put them on my wall. Here, I mean a little hoop like this and put it on my wall. But as you can see, I did try this. There's a big old hole in this. I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to save this little cactus, which I love. There are deep holes, if you can see. It's not doing it justice. But anyway, guys, epic failure. Epic failure. If anyone has any help, that would be great. I watched videos. I did everything right. I even punched it right. I can't get this floss to stay in here for nothing. I made sure I was doing everything right. So this is an epic failure. This is floss tube number 12. I love you guys. Have a good one. Toodles.